how to mute a conversation on Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to mute a conversation on Imo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo. Once you are here, choose the conversation you want to mute and click on it. Now you have the person icon up there. All you need to do is click on it and you're gonna find this option, which is mute, and turn on this option. Easy and quick. You can turn it off or on wherever you are comfortable with. And this is it, guys. Just go to the conversation, click on the setting or 3 point, or you're gonna find that person icon and click on it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.